Hello everyone, it's Jonathan here, founder of Driving Academy, and if you're watching this video, that means that you have problems in life and you want to solve them. And getting a CDL is what we've seen to solve many people's problems. And we're even daring to say that a CDL can solve most of your problems. So you might be saying, well, John, that's kind of crazy. How can a CDL solve most of your problems? Well, the one thing that you do have to understand is that we live on an economic planet, which means that there's a saying that I heard not too long ago that says, if you have a problem and have no money, you have a problem. If you have money and you have a problem, you really don't have a problem simply because you can pay to get that problem solved. So, of course, does money solve everything? Probably not, but for the most part, money can solve most things. So what kind of problems can the CDL license actually solve you itself? So if you're feeling like you're stuck at a career, that you're kind of stuck and you can't get to the next level, maybe you feel like you're in a position where the boss is overlooking your shoulder all the time, you don't feel any type of freedom at all. Maybe you're not working at all. Maybe you're just coming out, maybe you just got laid off, right? And you want to make sure that you're secure for you and for your family. Getting a CDL license might be the best option for you and for your family, simply coming up in these uncertain times that everyone's talking about in this economy. That being said, super important to make sure that you're planting the seeds now so in the future you can reap the reward. What does that mean? That means you actually have to get your CDL license before you can actually get any of your problems solved. So one thing that I use to solve my problems is I usually try to invest in myself and try to find a vehicle or a person that has been through that problem before and is willing to help me and give me the shortcut to actually get me to that next level. So that's what we do for people here at Driving Academy. Our mission is to help 1 million people get on the road to freedom by giving them all the chances and all the success that they need to get them that license and get them a job that's going to help them make more money so they can have more options, right? Because in this economic plan, like I said, you can't feel free if you only have one option, right? And you can't have multiple options unless you have a good amount of money or a good amount of income for you and for your family moving forward. So let's talk about how can a CDL license actually solve your problem. Problem number one is going to be job security. So getting a CDL license is probably the most secure job in America. If you think about the worst of times when everything got shut down, truck drivers were still getting paid, right? Thing number two is going to be if you have a problem with boredom, getting a CDL license might be the solution for that problem simply because you get to travel every time you want. The office view that you currently have is going to change every single day. Problem number three that the CDL is going to solve is going to be that it's going to be able to help you produce money for you and for your family, right? Most truck drivers are going to have a very secure job. They're going to make sure that they get to live the life that they want when it comes to traveling. And the income is super important for anybody looking to live in this world because most jobs come with benefits, dental, medical, vacation pay. The bigger the company you go, the more infrastructure they have, which means the higher ability they have to actually pay you all those extra benefits that we're talking about, right? So if you want to really change your life and you want to truly feel free, that means you're living paycheck to paycheck now. You don't really know when the rent is going to be due. You have to kind of juggle between your bills, knowing which one to pay. Getting a CDL license is a vehicle to get you out of that because we can put you to work and making more money than what you're probably making right now if that is your current issue. So what are you waiting for? Give our team a call, 908-525-3609. They're problem solvers and they're professionals at it through getting a CDL license. So all you have to do is give them a call, 908-525-3609, or check out our website at cdldrivingacademy.com. Again, cdldrivingacademy.com. Thanks. Have a great day. Hey, thank you so much for watching this video. If you like it, make sure you hit that like button. Also, subscribe to our channel. It's really going to help us out. Click on that button. And if you want to continue yourself on your road to freedom, here's more videos to watch. There's endless amounts. Hopefully we get to see each other one day very soon. Thanks.